The Raphael 4040 is a tabletop-sized robot that uses a precision pumping system and computer-guided brush to deliver conformal coating over an optimized path. The robot is roughly 24 inches wide by 24 inches deep by 24 inches in height. It must be positioned under a vent hood or on a downdraft table for fume evacuation. The conformal coating and thinner are stored in their original containers at the back of the robot. Silicone, acrylic, and urethane coatings can be supported. However, the delivery tubes and brush assembly must be changed between conformal types. A pair of precision peristaltic pumps are used to deliver the coating and thinner through a mixing tube and into the brush head. The work area is roughly 15.5 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep, or 40 centimeters wide by 40 centimeters deep. PCB boards are held in the work area either by our adjustable fixture, as shown here, or can be held in nylon trays designed to fit specific board types. When working, boards can be rotated in and out of the fixture, or entire trays can be removed and inserted. The brush is routed over an optimized path that is laid out using Raphael's control program called Raphael Studio. The initial brush path can be created using the integrated joystick and further optimized using click and mouse controls within the program. The brush can be controlled to within 7/1000ths of an inch and can be made to move linear, in arcs, and raise up and around components. Raphael is ideal for boards that have components or areas that cannot be spray coated. To learn more, please contact Invention House at www.inventionh.com or info@inventionh.com. Thanks for watching.